In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to set up the details so your meeting is ready without any last-minute confusion. First, head to your Zoom Workplace dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Meetings and click it. This is your hub for everything you've scheduled. Once you're there, you'll see your calendar view, which shows upcoming and past sessions in one place. It's a helpful snapshot that lets you keep track of what's coming up and make sure you're not double booking yourself. To create something new, find the plus icon on the page and click it, then choose Create Event. This opens the scheduling window where you'll set up your meeting. Think of this as the control center for your session. You'll typically start by giving your meeting a clear title so participants know what it's about. Next, pick the date, start time, and expected duration. Take a moment to check the time zone, especially important if your attendees are in different regions, so everyone joins at the right time. You can also add a brief description or agenda if that helps provide context. From there, set your meeting options. For security, decide whether to use a passcode or enable a waiting room. Both are useful for keeping your meeting private and letting you admit participants when you're ready. Adjust video and audio preferences as needed, like whether the host or participants join with video on, and whether attendees should be muted upon entry. These small settings can make a big difference in keeping things organized at the start. If this meeting will happen regularly, look for the recurrence option and choose the pattern that fits your schedule: daily, weekly, or monthly. This saves you time and keeps your calendar consistent. You may also see advanced options, such as allowing participants to join before the host or limiting access to authenticated users, which you can enable if they fit your needs. When everything looks good, review the details one last time to make sure the date, time, and settings are correct. Then, save your event. That's it. Your scheduled Zoom meeting is now created. You'll see it listed on your Meetings page, and a unique meeting link and details will be available there, ready whenever you are. And there you go. You've moved from your dashboard to your calendar, clicked the plus icon, created an event, and set up your scheduled Zoom meeting with confidence.